So volatile start for the Indian markets. They move off opening lows but also move off morning highs. Key indices trade with a negative bias. IT, autos and consumption hold out. Banks and metals see the deepest cuts. The mid-cap index too sits with a cut of almost 0.2%.
And Titan posts a strong update for the second quarter. Jewelry sales grow 18% on a high base from last year. The company has also added 91 new stores in the past quarter.
Varroc Engineering's lighting business sale deal gets amended. The company will now receive 520 million euros for the business as compared to 600 million euros earlier. The stock down 8%.
Phoenix Mill sees consumption rise to 130% of pre-COVID levels in the second quarter. Kalyan Jewellers revenue grows 14%, but competitive intensity hits its margins.
From a bunch of small caps, we do have Indian Hume Pipes winning an order worth nearly 194 odd crore rupees. The stock surges over 10%.
Hello and welcome to Chartbusters. I'm Nigel D'Souza and joining me as always is Mangalam Malu. Well, Mangalam, the market's a little bit nervous today. I think the rupee is the sore point in there. The Nifty Bank as well, down close to around 400 points. That broke the 50 DMA and it continues to trade below that level. I'll tell you the big cue for today, if you have to reverse, will be the rupee. If the rupee can drip back towards that 82 odd mark, then maybe we'll see a bit of a relief rally. Otherwise, it appears that around that 17,500 odd, the markets are likely to face quite a bit of resistance. How do you trade from here on though? We have Shilpa Rout who joins in. Hi Shilpa, morning. Well, yesterday it seemed like we were going to go ahead and test that 17,450, 17,500. After the first gap up, we never went anywhere close to that level. How would you trade the index from these levels?
Good morning, Nigel and Mangalam. Like rightly said, 17,400 to 500 was very easily targeted yesterday. But now, even during the rollover analysis, it was very clear that 17,500 will act as a resistance, which is happening now. But support also on immediate basis comes at 17,200. So 17,200, if we hold, then again the rally will resume till 17,500. But below 17,200, we'll see 16,700 zones very easily. Likewise, for Bank Nifty, trading below 38,500 will be crucial. So right now, intraday support should come at 38,500, and from there we should reverse and see levels till 39,500 to 40,000 odd zones.
All right, we take that point on the indices, but as we speak, a lot of these stocks are moving around. We do have Tata Communications, Tata Chem, both of them up around 3 odd % at the high point. But on the other side, JSPL, we have Jubilant Foodworks, Ramco Cement, a bunch of stocks are also lower. So in a market which is as wobbly as this, how do you play? I mean, what longs and what shorts would you have in terms of individual stocks?
Right, likely said, chemical industry since yesterday is seeing some sort of traction. So yes, there is a buying opportunity in that sector. Of course, limited scripts, and likewise metals also yesterday were showing a lot of strength. So we had been seeing JSPL, JSW Steel, be it SAIL, NMDC, every script in that sector was above the crucial resistance zones, and we're good to see again a move up around 10% from here. But yes, today there is some sort of exhaustion, so wait and watch, and a buying recommendation only during the support zones is recommended. So for today, I have a buy in Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto is doing extremely well today, and it has a very strong support at 3590 zones for intraday. So it is trading at 3627 now. So one should look for targets of 3680 to 3720 zones with a stop loss of 3590 for the day. And I also have a buy call on Manappuram. Manappuram is taking support at 99 to 100 zones. So a stop loss of 99, and it is trading at 100.85 now. So you should look for targets of 103 to 105.
Okay, all right. Shilpa, thanks so much for stopping by and filling us in on your call on the index as well as a couple of those trading strategies. For the time being, let's shift focus to our special segment,